I've been studying the law of attraction for years and years and years, and this right here is the most powerful technique that I've discovered, and I've made it my own, and you could really benefit from this. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's your boy Kai Valentine coming at you with another video on the law of attraction. This is probably one of my favorite things to talk about. It's going to reduce the anxiety that comes with it, and you're going to feel a lot better by the end of this video, so stick around to the very end. But before we begin, my name is Kai Valentine. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the Valentine family. You will benefit so much. I want you to satisfy, I want to satisfy you. Oh. Alright, so the big secret is being playful. That's right, and as strange as that sounds now that it's come out of my mouth, being playful is the most powerful technique that I've discovered when it comes to the law of attraction. Now you may be asking yourself, Kai, or you may want to ask me, Kai, what does it mean to be playful when it comes to the law of attraction? It sounds creepy. Well, it does sound creepy, but it has nothing to do with being creepy. Whenever we want to manifest something, we often see it in our head and we get really excited about it. With this excitement, yeah, the excitement's good. Now that's good, it's a positive feeling, but it goes too far most of the time, especially if the thing we want to manifest is taking longer than you believe that it should. What happens is now you've put this object, this love for something, this soulmate that you haven't discovered yet on a pedestal. And what that is showing to God is that you don't have it, that you're not grateful for what you have. You will only be happy once you take the object from the top of that pedestal and it is in your life. Think about it. That is cyclical. Cyclical meaning it's a cycle. You're going to cycle to the next thing that you want, and the next thing, and the next thing. When will you be happy? You never will. You'll never be happy because there will always be a pedestal that you're trying to climb and get. Yes, I'm doing the Italian thing. Alright. So what is being playful and how can this help you get this thing off the pedestal, this thing that you want? When you start visualizing something and you get that excited feeling, keep it there and don't let it go any further. So what happens is you want to play with it. When I was very young, Pokemon is what I grew up with, and I still freaking love Pokemon. I'm 28 years old, I love Pokemon. And when I was younger, I had a very imaginative mind, and I've been blessed with this. But I would play Pokemon, and I could see these Pokemon. I remember trying to catch Mewtwo, and I would get so upset with my friends because they wouldn't want to visualize it, and they just wanted to go do something else, and they would get bored. Not me. It was just this exciting adventure. And I didn't get upset that I didn't catch the Mewtwo. And okay, this is getting weird. What I'm trying to say is visualize and have fun with your visualization. Have fun with your visualization. Don't let it get any further. In fact, what I often tell people is to forget about what you're trying to manifest. Now you may be asking yourself, well, that doesn't make sense. How can I visualize something that I want but also forget about it? I'm not saying forget about it completely. I'm saying whenever you do your daily visualizations, enjoy it and have fun with it. Never let it get past the fun and enjoyment part. So for example, I keep telling people I want to manifest a muscle car. That is like the big thing for me, but I can't pull the trigger. I don't know why. I have this block. I don't know why. But whenever I do visualize it, I'm in my Mustang, which I'm already grateful for. It is American muscle, and I'll pretend that I'm shifting in, let's say, a Dodge Demon 1972 or a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. When I drive one of those cars, and then I'll forget about it. I'm listening to an audiobook and I'm done with my visualization for the day. Next time I get in my car, I'm in that, that muscle car, and now I have more than enough money to get whatever muscle car I want. But that's not the point. I'm having so much fun just with what I have. Don't let that upset you. Yes, for me, I like investing my money, and to me that's more important than the car. So I'm already manifesting what it is that I truly desire. But the muscle car is a very fun idea for me, and by visualizing myself in this muscle car, I have gained a lot more money. I've become more financially successful, and I could pull the trigger whenever I want, but I want to find the car that goes, whoa, that's my car. I see that's it. I haven't felt that feeling yet, and I'm patient. I'm very patient, but I'm always being playful with the idea. I'm always being playful with the money. You know, I see myself going on these vacations. I talked to Lisa, who's my girlfriend. You know, we should find a secretive place in Sweden or one of these, or New Zealand, just that's by a lake. See, I'm always playing in my imagination, but to me it's very, very real. It's very real. And I know it's going to happen someday, but that doesn't mean I can't be happy now. So whatever it is you're trying to manifest, be playful with it, enjoy it, don't let it stress you out. We're all about not being stressed out on this channel. It's for people if you want, it's like that kid with the dream, you do anything. People who often get into the law of attraction, they start getting mala beads, they get, you know, the yoga stuff, and they get these mats to sit on and to meditate, and they're all into it. I know because I went through the same thing. And then they kind of fall out of it because they're so stressed about not being able to manifest as quickly as possible. Let me tell you right now, just relax, enjoy the process, be grateful for what you have, and be playful with your visualizations, and you will manifest way quicker than stressing out about it. And if you like this sort of stuff, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Valentine family. Okay, before this video is not monetized anymore, I'm not gonna go any further with that joke, but you get the point, and sensually caress that like button because it will sensually caress you. Okay, this is getting weird. Guys, I love you so much. Play that Yu-Gi-Oh song.
Trusting my heart like it's Yu-Gi-Oh. Spending all night at the studio. Got me fucked up, you assume me slow. Killing the game cause he knew to go. I don't want nothing to do with you. Taking this winning is all about who